Hey everybody, Jeremy Redmond here with Task Magic along with Kyle.
How's it going?
Cool. And we got this question. We thought it would be very interesting to make a video on how this works. So we got a question that was, I'm trying to copy a link address by using right click during recording, but it's not working. Okay. That's to set the scene. So generally speaking, you in a normal browser, you would do right click, it copies it, and then it works. So right here we have Kyle.
This is just the normal browser to show you the right click.
Yeah, so demonstrate normally how it works.
So what users are kind of confusing is if I wanted to copy this link, I can right click and then click, open new link, open link, copy link.
Yeah, right. And this is what you don't want to do.
Correct. So the copy link would be it's a long link, but it's the Google Store link.
Yep.
So
that's how it normally works. That is not how you do it when you're recording inside of Task Magic. Now, we will show you exactly how it works, and it works like this. Now go, Kyle. Start a new automation.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if we do a new automation of web, and then I'm not using cookies because I'm just going to Google.
Okay. And now you see the browser window on the right and the prompt window on the left. And what we're going to do is we are going to demonstrate the proper way on how to emulate right click or copying a link address. Yeah. So Kyle, can I right click and we pick it up?
Yes, but the right click that you do on a page and the right click that shows that copy link address are different. So you know how on some websites you right click something and the website shows their own version of a menu? Not like copy link address, but they have their own fancy version. That is when you can use a click.
Can you demonstrate to me that? What do you think?
I don't know a website on the top of my head, but I'm
okay. So go to a website right now.
I'm assuming it'll be somewhere on YouTube.
Okay, we'll go to a website that you can right click on.
Okay.
Am
I going in the recording window or in a normal window?
Right here in the recording window. Oh, okay. Let's demo this. Okay, so let's just grab this was a bad one to go to. Go to youtube.com. Okay, terrific. So youtube.com. Now let's demo the right way to grab a link address if you wanted to right click and copy link address.
Yeah, so let me do a search for I've never seen this screen on YouTube before. I just assume it's because I'm a blank profile. But let me just record a couple steps so we can see something.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so let's say that, can I go to YouTube in a normal browser really quick to show this?
Yeah.
I guess because we showed Google. I don't want to.
That's fine, but show it.
Yeah, so let's say that we wanted to copy the link to this video. We could right click and then click copy link.
Okay, yep.
So this window, this dialog thing that we see right here isn't really happening in the browser, which is why right click wouldn't actually show this.
Okay.
So this is the recording window. I think it is. Yeah, this is the recording window.
So in the recording window, I
can click scrape single. And then
so scrape single, right? So let's let that sink in. So if you want to copy a link address, you would go to scrape single in the prompt window on the left and then continue, Kyle.
Can I move my face out of the way on StreamYard so that they can see that? Here, hold on. Okay, I'm just gonna go to this side a little bit.
Okay.
So then we can hover over whatever we want to scrape. I'll just get like this channel, for example.
Okay.
So I'll click the channel and we'll see that it's down here now, and that's getting the text. Okay. If we want to get the link, we can click these 3 dots right here and scrape links instead. And now we'll see that this is getting that channel link, which is the same as a right click and copy link, but done the Task Magic way so that we can record it.
Ah, okay. So it's scrapes. So if you want to copy link address,
yeah, we can go through it again.
Right click, go to copy link address. You would scrape single. You would go to the text where the link is hiding. Then click that. And before you confirm it, right?
There's two different ways you can do it. So we can show if they didn't confirm now and after, how you do it.
Okay. So then you would go to the 3 dots on column A because it's a single, so it's only going to be one column, and you would go scrape links. Boom. Then you would confirm. Done. So, and we don't want to export that right now. So, and then it shows up. Boom. Right?
Correct. So this was
Cool.
this scrape one, but it shows the
And
text.
do we do not have a right click step, right?
We do not have a right click step. You have a click
Okay.
step, which has settings to turn it into a right click step.
Are there any other things in the right click menu in a normal browser that we have workarounds for on how to do?
Copying an image, which would be the exact same as scraping single. So let's say we
Okay.
wanted to get this. So I'm going
Okay.
back to scrape single and I click this, and then I click 3 dots, and this is a video, so it's not technically an
Oh,
image, so it doesn't work
yeah.
the same, but that's where it would be, is we would
Oh,
have
that's
scraped
cool.
image
So
right
we've
here.
exited out so that you don't think you can do it.
Correct,
Got you.
because it
Okay.
will not work.
Okay. Can you go to an image really fast just so we can have that in here?
Yeah. I'll just not add these steps right now because we don't
That's
care
fine.
about it. If I wanna scrape single
So
again.
so you're in images, then
Yes,
you again click on scrape single. Okay.
yes, and
Then
then
you
we
click
can
the
click
image.
on an image,
Yep.
we can click
Okay.
3
Then
dots.
in that column.
Google might be a little different with it. It might not pull
Okay.
up
So let's
images
go to
again.
one that
Here, I'll
works
pull
right.
up the images on Google because 'cause that'll be the same. So if we click images here,
Yep.
and then I'll just add that one, and if we're come on, Google.
So confirm the step.
Yeah, but Google isn't switching tabs. Let's try again. There we go, Google,
There
thank
you
you.
go.
Okay, and then, it's the same for scraping a list of images.
Okay,
Or
that makes sense. So
scrape
so
images.
you change those right clicks in the column. That's
Correct.
all. Yeah,
So if
okay.
we wanna get all the images, it won't show images down here for us, but it'll see that we found 38 rows, and you can see a really faint purple border around images. It's really
Mm.
weird, but you can see a really, really faint.
So move the window so I can see.
See how there's, like, a really faint purple border around the
Oh, yeah,
images?
yeah.
It's a little more apparent if it's on your screen.
So
We can
click
click
it.
the 3 dots and then
Wait, I can't
scrape.
see it. I can't see it. I can't see it.
Oh, whoops. I see what you're saying. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll see that we had 38 rows found. There's no
Yep.
text because it's images, and we see
Yep.
this really faint purple border is what I was showing you.
Yeah.
Then we can click the 3 dots, and we can either scrape a link to all the images, or we can scrape the image itself. So
Oh,
if
that's
I click
really cool.
scrape image, we'll see that this has changed to show us the data for the image,
Yeah.
just to give us more of an idea. This is what's used if we confirm this step so that all of these images can be downloaded to our computer.
Cool. Awesome. And that's great. That is really cool. So if you want to right click, right? If you think right click isn't working, it's not that right click is not working. It's that if you want to do the right click options that you would normally see in a normal browser, how you get to that is scraping single or scraping list if it's a single image or multiple images. Scraping single. And then once you've done that, in column A or any of the columns, you click the 3 dots next to the right of column A, and then you'll see the options that that are available to do. Correct?
Correct. And then the other way you can go about this is if you recorded a scrape step and you want it to scrape a link, you can click the 3 dots and then change step type
Mm.
and then select scrape link, which is the exact same as if we did it from that menu there.
So you can scrape the link or scrape the thing after the fact.
Correct. You can also, if we scrape single here, and let's say I want to get this for whatever reason, I can
Mhm.
click this. I can duplicate this column and then really easily scrape the link for it as well. That way you can really easily
Oh, that
grab
is really
everything that
cool.
you need.
Cool. So you can even do that after the fact. That's really great. by changing step type, by going to the step inside the automation. Kyle, if you could show that again. And then the 3 dots, just like in the recorded way, go to change step type, right? Because that's what it is. And then what are all those step types?
These are all the different ones you have available.
Cool. The step types: click, type, hover, scrape text, scrape image, scrape link, go to page, custom JavaScript, screenshot, and a couple others there I can't see. So you can change these steps after the fact.
This is really common for people that are recording click steps that get changed to download or upload and things like that.
Oh, okay, cool. Amazing. So there you have it. Is there anything else that we cover with right-clicking things or scraping images or links?
When you're scraping images, it depends on the website you're working with. Sometimes there's an image that is scrapable, like a link to the image that's scrapable, and other times it's in short terms not a scrapable link. So depending on the image that you scrape, the way that you guys saw it say data in the bottom there, that means that's not going to have a valid link, and we can only download those images to our computer. So depending on the website you work on, there's some limitations to the way the images work. If it provides a link, you can scrape the images link. If it doesn't, then you can only download all of those to your computer.
Cool. Awesome. There we have it. Is that all?
That is all.
Okay, cool. Thank you. That is right-clicking options in our recorder and scraping images and links